I am still not over the fact that I was able to transform this wig into this. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned if you would like to see the step-by-step tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell to be notified of all of my future uploads. This wig was sent to me, but I will not be revealing the name of the company that sent me this wig. I do want to just share with you guys my experience and how I was able to transform this wig, just in case you find yourself in a similar situation, or if you get sent or purchase a wig and it looks just like this. So I'm not even gonna lie to you, I am not a huge fan of this fake scalp on wigs, and the reason why is because a lot of them do have a line of demarcation there. And then I realized the reason why companies are probably not putting the fake scalp all the way where the beginning of your hairline is because a lot of people do cut out different shapes of their hairline, and that would mess up the material. It could probably unravel or whatever the case may be. And you also need the lace to be able to gel the wig down to your head if you do not use tape or glue. A lot of them do advertise the fact that you do not have to wear a wig cap underneath. So how are you supposed to blend in that line of demarcation and your hairline if you do not have on a wig cap? We are going to see, because I am going to test out the methods that I have in my mind. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is grabbing all of the wig caps that I have on hand just to compare the colors to the fake scalp on this wig. None of the wig caps are an identical color to the fake scalp. So I did run to the store and I picked up a pair of neutral stockings, and my main goal is to get these stockings to match the material and color of the fake scalp. Okay, so at this point I have the option of using the thicker part of the stocking or the sheer material, which is similar to the netting on the lace front. So let me see how the thicker material will hold up, because this is clearly some type of cloth material. I don't even feel like this is, this is not a wig cap. So if I use the thicker side of the stocking and put it underneath, will it blend in? Does that line of demarcation disappear? Kind of. I can still see it right there. But for the most part, you can't see it as much as you did previously. So this is with the thicker part, and this is without. If we were to use this and just sew the thinner side of the stocking, let's see what that would do. So this is the before, and here we are with the thinner side of the stocking. Oh, that blends in too, actually. I think this will be flatter if we use the thinner side of the leg of the stocking. So that's what we're going to do. Where's the line of demarcation? You don't see it anymore. You don't see it. The fake scalp is a bit lighter than my complexion, and it's lighter than my own scalp color. So I am going to have to darken that color, and I am going to have to darken the color of these stockings as well. It's definitely darker. This is the perfect match for my scalp. And we are going to match it with this wig. For some reason, the material that they use for the fake scalp has a silicone edge on it. Obviously, silicone and stocking material and lace material are different. First, I'm going to grab my transparent thread in a rectangular shape of that stocking cutout, and I am going to fill in that gap so that the fake scalp can be coming directly to where my hairline is and where the edge of the wig starts. I think it's a flawless finish. It's a flawless blend, but we do have to figure out how we are going to get this silicone demarcation line to disappear. I wasn't entirely sure if I wanted to pluck any hairs from this hairline because the only thing that is really stopping you from seeing the line of demarcation on either sides of this wig head is the fact that hair is covering it. So if I pluck too much, if I over pluck, you'll definitely be able to see that fake scalp on the left and right sides of this wig because I did not sew that additional gap filler there. So I am going to pluck by doing the beige method of zigzag parting, but I'm only going to pluck very minimally. So I am making it look a little bit more natural and not as systematic with the knots, but I'm not over plucking. So keep that in mind. Okay, so now I'm grabbing a heat protectant and a silk infusion product by Chi, and we are just going to flat iron through this wig. The wig looks super bomb. I love it, but I can still see that line of demarcation there where that silicone line is. The everyday average person probably would not be able to see it, but I'm a little self-conscious about that. So I did grab some black eyeshadow and I am blending in the hairs with that silicone line on both sides of the part. It is always optional to add baby hairs. You do not have to add baby hairs on any wig, but because the hairline is more square than my hairline and I'm not customizing a shape with this wig, I am going to have to add baby hairs just so that my own hair won't be peeking through the hairline at all. So today I will be applying this wig using Got To Be in the black tube as well as the yellow spray can. And of course, I am not wearing a wig cap at all. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the information to this company down below in the description box. Please leave your comments and questions down below in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this transformation down below. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
You wanna flip me upside down, know me inside out, know me. You wanna flip me upside down, know me inside out, know me inside out, inside out. Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.